Gibbs Duhem equation. We know that for closed system, the system can transfer only energy but not matter to the surroundings. And in an open system, the system can transfer both energy as well as matter to the surroundings. Therefore, let us consider the free energy for a closed system. It is a function of temperature and pressure only, but in the open system, free energy is a function of temperature, pressure as well as the number of moles. Therefore, let us consider in the open system, G is function of temperature, pressure as well as the number of moles. Therefore, if we differentiating equation number 1, we get dG is equal to dou G by dou T and into dt at constant pressure and number of moles, and dou G by dou P into dP is at constant temperature and number of moles. And if we differentiate with respect to N1, N2, N3 etc., we get dou G by dou N1 into dN1 at constant temperature, pressure, N2, N3 etc. So let us consider this as equation number 2. Therefore, at constant temperature and pressure, we get these two terms will get 0. Therefore, we will get dG at constant temperature and pressure is equal to mu1 dN1 plus mu2 dN2 is equal to 0. That is, we know that the partial molar quantity is dou G by dou Ni equal to Gi bar, that is partial molar free energy or chemical potential. So we can substitute for dou G by dou N1 equal to mu1. Therefore, we are substituting here mu1 into dN1 also plus mu2 into dN2. Therefore, if we integrate equation number 3, we will get G is at constant temperature and pressure is equal to mu1 N1 plus mu2 N2. That is equation number 4. So, upon complete differentiation of equation number 4, so dG mu1 dN1 plus N1 d mu1 plus mu2 dN2 plus N2 d mu2. Therefore, by combining the same terms, we will get dG is equal to mu1 dN1 plus mu2 dN2 plus N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2. Therefore, from equation 3, we can come to know that dG is equal to mu1 dN1 plus mu2 dN2. Therefore, we are substituting here for mu1 dN1 plus mu2 dN2 is equal to dG. Therefore, dG is equal to dG plus N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2. Therefore, so by cancelling these two terms, we will get 0 is equal to N1 d mu1 plus N2 d mu2. That is, summation of Ni d mu I in general is equal to 0. This is known as Gibbs Duhem equation.